And ain't no use in sitting on the pop, hey. You never do somehow. When you roost to the crows at the break of dawn, look out your window and I'll be gone. The only reason I'm not traveling on. But don't think twice, it's alright. Turning on your light, babe. That light I never known. And ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road. Still I wish there was something you would do or say to make me change my mind and stay. We never did too much talking anyways. Don't think twice, it's alright. Down that long and lonesome road, babe. Where I'm bound, I can tell. Goodbye is too good a word, gal. So I just say fairly well. I ain't saying you treated me unkind. You could have done better, but you know I don't mind. You just kinda wasted my precious time. Don't think twice, it's alright. Ain't no use of calling out my name, girl, like you never did before. Ain't no use in calling out my name, girl. I can't hear you anymore. I'm thinking and I'm wondering all the way down the road. I once loved a woman, a child I'm told. I gave her my heart, but she wanted my soul. Don't think twice, it's alright.